Is that all sand? Where are the trees? I think we're really in the desert now. Max, look! I see them! The pyramids!
Whoa, they're so much bigger than in pictures.
We are now beginning our descent into Cairo, Egypt. For the desert, you'll want something cool and light, and this will keep the sun off you.
I look like an explorer!
This actually feels really nice in the heat. Perfect for tomorrow's trip to the pyramids.
This is way better than a car ride.
Dad, how old are these, really?
Watch closely now.
Whoa!
Oh, it's turning gold.
This is way better than any treasure map. What does this one mean?
That symbol means sun. Some say hidden messages are carved into these stones. Want to find them?
I think they're telling a story, not just a random pattern.
Sometimes the real treasure isn't hidden underground. It's right in front of you.